Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Ricky with TechBud Solutions. I hope that you guys are all having a great start to your Wednesday. Today, I cleared a little bit over $2,000 profit. Yesterday was a little bit over $3,000 profit. I'm going to show you exactly how it is that I did it. I also want to let you know that before you guys click away from this video, if you guys want to see how I'm not going to buy and sell within this video, but what I did is I trade live every single day with my Learn Plan Profit group. That's my private group that gets to watch me trade live every single day. I put this little link in the description that if you want, so it's like this unlisted video, and I do this every single day for them that they get to watch me trade live. What I want to show you guys is if you guys click the first link in the description, it will guide you on over to this page where when you scroll down, it's going to tell you get a taste of what you will experience. Click this video. It's our live stream from today that will show you my entries and my exits and what led to me clearing. At that point, I think I was up a little bit over $1,800 profit that I was able to clear within the live stream itself. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Also, what this whole page is about is I'm going to have a free live trading, meaning that you can watch me trade live for free without being a part of Learn Plan Profit on December 28th. So if you like what it is that you see and you like the way that I invest in the stock market, then be sure to enter your name, enter your email, reserve your spot, and then send to Messenger. That simple. It doesn't cost you anything, nothing like that. So altogether, let's go ahead and get started. My name is Ricky. I run the largest YouTube channel and the largest private Facebook group for those who invest in the stock market. We have a little bit over 177,000 members within our free Facebook group, and we have a little bit over 440,000 subscribers. Today, I traded one specific ETF. I cleared a little bit over, as you guys can see, $2,002 profit and 94 cents. I can show you guys the different orders that I have set up here. I'm waiting for the overall reversal to happen to see if we get a bounce right around this SMA line, right? So I'm using the TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform for those that are going to be asking, and these are my orders. So I took my first position during pre-market hours. If you guys follow me on Instagram, feel free to search up my name. I have one Instagram account. I have a little bit over 80,000 followers there, but my first entry was as early as 5:30 in the morning during pre-market hours. For extended hours, TD Ameritrade allows me to trade as early as 5 a.m. Woke up, I saw the dip buy opportunity, and I'm going to explain to you exactly why. And all I've been doing is just buying and selling DGAS. Some of you guys might be asking, what the heck? Why DGAS? Why not UGAS? For those that are familiar with the natural gas ETFs, I'm going to explain to you exactly why. There's three things that I like to focus on: direction, opportunity cost, and the pattern. One thing that I noticed during pre-market hours, and again, it's very simple, it's what we do time after time, is natural gas was selling off. So I tried to understand what's the first thing: direction. I saw that natural gas was selling off. It was making lower lows and lower highs, meaning that it was progressively doing this downward staircase pattern, something that a lot of you guys might be familiar with. An easier indicator to follow might be the middle and bottom VWAP. If you don't know what that is, Google it, YouTube it. I have a video on it both in the Learn Plan Profit course and on YouTube about it. And the thing that it's been doing is it's been holding and getting rejected by the top VWAP, as you guys can see here, and it's been selling off and bouncing off the bottom VWAP. Very simple and very basic pattern. It's been trending down. Great. I understand the direction. Great. Now, when it came to be about 5:30 in the morning, so again, it pushed up, got close to or near to, so that's why I wasn't touching DGAS at this point. Right around 5:30, guess what happened? One thing that I like to wait for is confirmation that it's below the EMA line and that it begins to sell off, making lower lows. Why do I care about that? Because when this thing begins to sell off and confirm a downtrend and its overall direction for the day is down, then that means that DGAS, which is the one that I traded today, is going to begin to show signs of an uptrend. So right around that 5:30 mark, right around 5:30, as you saw my first order, right? So let's scroll all the way down to 5:30. I bought 200 shares at 76.28. I ended up selling them at 81.40. Right alone, just with that trade alone, it was up a little bit over $1,000. So again, at around 5:30, I bought the dip. It sold off. I could have bought at a much lower price point. Again, it's not about buying at the lowest price point. And this is something that I stress so importantly to the Learn Plan Profit group every single day. It's not about buying as something is selling off, but it's buying something for a good deal and when it confirms that it's actively showing signs of growth. So if you want to grow your account, you want to invest in patterns that are showing signs of growth. So as we saw, it broke above the EMA line right around 5:30. I took my first position. It held above the middle VWAP, it held above the top VWAP, boom, 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 and then got in close to or near to this $82 resistance. And guess what? Why did I sell at around $82? Looking at previous patterns for natural gas. So again, it sold off. So I bought around 530, right? So right around here, it sold off. And then guess what? It approached this general area based off of previous patterns for natural gas that could be viewed as a support. I didn't want to risk it. So what did I do? I locked in profits. Once I saw that it was approaching a general support for natural gas, meaning the inverse of degas, then guess what? I locked in profits and I walked away, right around, right below $82 if I'm not mistaken. Let me check this out. Yeah, so right around $81.40. That's where I ended up selling my first position. Very simple breakdown, right? I identified a low point, wait for the confirmation. I got in, showed signs of an uptrend. It stayed true to the pattern of the middle and top VWAP. And then guess what? As it got close to this indicator that was based off of a previous support on natural gas, I locked in profits. That's why it's so important to understand the correlation between the natural gas future and the natural gas ETF. That's simple. And then guess what? It pushed up, hit highs of about like $82, $83. Great. I don't really care about that. I like to wait for good dip buy opportunities. It sold off, consolidated, and then guess what? It broke above the EMA line. It stayed true to the pattern. The direction is still trending up. It's now uptrending. I added more to my position, confirmed the uptrend, approached this general resistance, locked in profits. Came back down, boom, boom, boom. Same thing throughout the entire day. Pushed up, locked in profits, sold off, and that was really just it. Now we're a little bit more on the oversold side. I'm going to give it a little bit more time to build that margin. Just to put it into perspective, and again, that's me really going into it. I just wanted to give you guys a more in-depth kind of breakdown. Yesterday, I cleared a little bit over $3,000. For those that are part of Learn Plan Profit, you guys were staying up to date with what it was that I was trading. I was trading ticker symbol UGAS, right? The inverse ETF of DGAS. $3,000 on the day, right? One ETF. I focus on direction. I want to make sure that whatever I invest in is showing signs of growth. I want to make sure that the margin of profit is worth it. I can guarantee you that if you guys have, and trust me, that video that is linked down below, so if you guys click that link and go to that landing, that welcome page and watch that video, speed it up to like 2x and watch it. It's about a 55-minute video, but you'll get to experience what it's like to watch me trade live, to enter and exit positions successfully. My thought process, the questions that I answer that the Learn Plan Profit members have. Again, it's not just a course that teaches you how to invest in the stock market, but it allows you to work with me every single day. And that's, we covered such important questions today. And I want to answer some of your guys' questions that you guys might have as of right now. But again, so someone's asking, so it's outdoor basics. You're asking which video. If you click the first link in the description, if you don't see it, refresh it. It says live trading, right? Click it, scroll all the way down. It says get a taste of what you can experience every day, right? So when you click the first link, it'll take you to this page. Scroll down, get a taste of what you'll experience for our free live trading, and watch this video. Put it on 2x and just try to pay attention. Try to pay attention to the questions that I answer, my entries, my exits, how I wait for the confirmation, how I average up, how I lock in profits early, and how I focus on my 3 principles. There's no secrets. There's nothing like you can learn everything that is like how to invest in the stock market yourself. It just takes time, right? But if you need someone to hold you accountable, then that's the whole point of our group. Working with you every single day, having access to the course and all the updates for a lifetime, and also being able to watch me trade live every single day. We do this on a day-to-day basis. And one of the things that I wanted to express of how important it is, today I cleared a little bit over $2,000 profit. Yesterday I cleared a little bit over $3,000 profit. That's $5,000. Just a year ago, I was working at that telecommunications store at Verizon, making $4,000 to $6,000, a month. And trust me, it's a very good paying job and all that, but I did that in 2 days. It just shows you how you can get to a point where you can be so blessed and make a certain amount of money that's hard to fathom, right? Again, it takes time though. I really, if please don't be sold on the how much money you can make. I need you to watch the video if you didn't watch it already that we did with Learn Plan Profit. It explains to you how important it is to focus on the future and not the now. All you should be focusing on is understanding every position that you take, managing your risk, making sure that you're not trading with too much or too little, that it's something that you feel comfortable with and confident, and that you are empowered every single day to do the best for yourself and not for others. Forget about what everyone else is saying. The most important person that you need to prove it to yourself is to you. You're the only person that is the final decision maker on what you choose to invest your hard-earned money. So doesn't it make sense to dedicate time? Oh shoot. Doesn't it make sense to dedicate time to put forth the effort to learn how to actually consistently grow your account? We have a bunch of videos on YouTube. We have over 1,000 videos on YouTube that you're more than welcome to check out. If you need help, right? If you need help and you would like to work with me on a closer basis, after watching that video and getting a taste of what it's like to watch me trade, if you guys have like 2 minutes, 3 minutes, then click that second link in the description. That's our Learn, Plan, Profit welcome page. Due to the amazing day and due to the amount of questions of people wanting to watch me trade live, make sure that you save your spot for our free live trading with the first link in the description. Make sure that you watch that video. That's all the way in the bottom. And then the third thing is, if you want to enroll and watch me trade live as soon as tomorrow, we would love to have you as a part of the Learn, Plan, Profit team. You can use the $30 off coupon. I'm not going to plug the coupon, nothing like that. It's just for those that are watching this video. It's going to be promo code START, S-T-A-R-T. Start, like start today, right? If you actually want to start to learn how to consistently grow your account, then I would love the opportunity to work with you. That simple. I hope that you guys can continue working hard. Hope that you guys can continue following your dreams. Let your passion be what drives your success. Again, it's going to take time, and you can't expedite and speed up the process. If you do, you're going to pay for it. You need to understand that. Please watch the video that we recorded today live, that you'll be able to see watch me trade live. But on top of that, there's a part within that video that I answer an open-ended question. And it's just so important for you to understand like the principles and the mindset and how to actually be successful in any market. So thank you guys again for your time. Wish you guys all an amazing rest of your Wednesday. Let's lock in those profits. Let's build that margin of profit, and let's be very patient and selective with what we choose to invest in. Again, all the links are down below. I'll be going live on Instagram in just a little bit. So if you guys want to check out that, we'd love to have you there. Thank you guys again for your time. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy.